Hello, welcome to Top of the World. Something a little different today. Whilst I've been machining this morning and working with timber, I've got to do Daddy's special scrambled egg for my girls later. So before I do all that, we've had this 6, 7, 8 metre a second wind now for 8, 9, 10 days. So fishing's been out of the question, which is a big issue combined with all the other issues this year. I was having dinner 2 nights ago with the locals, lived there all his life. He says he's never seen the water level so low at this time of year. I've never seen the water level this low at this time of year. So we've got low water as well and strong wind. So I've decided to deploy my cage weaponry, if you like. And this is going to kind of give us a bit of a head start, I hope. Although every year I have to go through the same learning curve. So I'll show you what I mean. Okay, so these are my fish cages. They're pretty much standard around the world. Fish swims in through a small hole there, swims around inside, can't get out. A lot of people here use nets. I like cages. I like cages because they don't kill the fish. Which means when you get small fish in there, you basically empty the cage onto the boat, sort the fish, put all the ones you don't want back, keep the ones you do want. Also, if there's a storm or something and I can't get out to my nets, which get destroyed by pike very often, these cages are fine in the water for 48 hours. The fish will be just fine. So the idea is to load all 3 of these cages up on the boat, go out to my special places, drop these cages, and then tomorrow morning when we go fishing for the first time in over a week, hopefully we'll have extra fish in the cages as well as what we catch by line. So we'll load these up into the boat, get the boat ready, and then we'll go and drop them. I'm going to drop that one. This is the most shallow one. There. There we go. That's the first one down. Mixed success here last year. The year before here was quite good. Just need to straighten up these gates. But last year I had mixed success in this spot. Also, the other issue about this spot exactly is I'll try and chuck this cage over without chucking my phone in again. It's getting the cage to sit have to circle back around to get that buoy, because the cage is, see if I reverse off of it without, there we go. Do I want to worry about it? Well, let's not worry about it today. We can shorten it tomorrow. Right. This is where we'll drop the third one and the last one. Once again, try not to chuck your phone overboard. Make sure the cage goes down and sits, not get wrapped around the prop. That's very deep, as we suddenly see that disappear. And then we're in trouble. Right, so that's not that travelling, that's us getting blown down river. You can see the other one is right over there. That's how fast the river's taken us that quick. You can get in trouble real quick out here if you ain't careful. That's all our cages deployed. It's tied down a bit this afternoon and it's supposed to return to sort of normal 2, 3, 1 metre a second tomorrow, which means we can get back to fishing. And it's okay if you've got a larger boat, but in this boat with the two of us, that's just not happening. And a little outboard, and I have got a bigger boat, but yeah, I've got no money, so I can't get that going. Anyhow, we'll fight our way back through the wind and the waves, and yeah, that'll be it till tomorrow morning. We'll lift those first thing, see what we've got. Right, it's the next morning. The wind's not so strong, but it is raining, and it is quite cold. So we're going to go to our first basket and see what we've caught. Sometimes when the light is hitting the water in a certain way, it's very difficult to find what you're looking for. And we're in an area here where there's an eddy, which means really you want to approach this from the opposite direction, and then you can just float past and pick it up. them, Simon. Right. And then there's all the question of what do you do with your camera? There we go. That's what we're after. Chuck that back over. Now we can sort our fish in the sizes on the way to our next ones. Well, that was successful for our first night. Nice, very nice. Different sizes. Keepers go into this bucket. And the little ones, like this, they go right back over the side. That's a steady babies. Take it nice and easy. The size of that. Jumping fish. I'd like to know we're buoyers so we don't get caught up in the string. There we go. We'll chuck them ones back overboard. They'll all swim away in a minute when they get themselves sorted and lose a bit of oxygen. Right, so we'll swim around upside down for a bit. Right, off to the next one. Lost it. There we go, miles away. Not easy doing this with the phone in your hand. I need my hook. Go round again, Simon. Just trying to film something. Oh, something. Right, where are we? There we go. That's how you do that. With your hook. Oh, you've got our cages down there. Put you up like that. find a hole where we want it to. I'm not usually this far down. We'll reposition that one where I wanted it yesterday. It's a bit further up the rim. Chop through there. Just one little fish cage this size. There's the other one. We might So that's it. That's the third one repositioned right next to the first one, a few metres apart, and the other one's way over there. So that's not bad for the first drop. First cage was good, second cage was empty, third cage has one in it. We've moved the second cage to a different location, and we've moved the third cage to close to cage 1. And we'll see how that works later on this evening. That's it for now. Thanks for watching.